opening with upbeat music, showcasing a modern home office setup with laptops and stationery. Welcome to our guide on the top business ideas you can start from the comfort of your home. Top 7 business ideas you can start from home appears on the screen. Transition to the first idea with stock footage of boxes being packed and shipments being prepared. 1. Dropshipping. First up, dropshipping. This digital retail model allows you to sell products directly to customers without the need to hold or manage any inventory. Essentially, you act as a middleman between the supplier and the buyer. When a customer places an order on your online store, the product is purchased from a third-party supplier who then ships it directly to the customer on your behalf. The main advantage of dropshipping is that it requires very little upfront investment, since you don't need to buy products in bulk or maintain a warehouse. Show a freelancer working at a laptop with aesthetic coffee shots in the background. 2. Freelancing. Freelance your skills online. From writing and graphic design to web development, digital marketing, and video editing, the gig economy is booming like never before. Freelance your skills online. From writing and graphic design to web development, digital marketing, and video editing, the gig economy is booming like never before. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to connect with clients from all over the world. Cut to a cozy home setup with lighting and a person recording themselves with a camera. 3. YouTube channel. Launch a YouTube channel. Sharing your expertise, hobbies, or creative ideas with the world has never been easier. Whether it's tutorials, reviews, gaming content, educational videos, or lifestyle vlogs, YouTube provides a platform to reach a global audience. Starting a YouTube channel also helps you develop valuable skills like video editing, storytelling, marketing, and audience engagement. With patience and persistence, a channel can evolve from a hobby into a full-fledged business, providing both income and personal brand growth. Digital workspace imagery with digital art and ebooks. 4. Digital products. Sell digital products. Digital products are items that can be created, sold, and delivered online without any physical inventory. This includes ebooks, online courses, printables, stock photos, music, software, templates, and more. Once created, digital products can be sold repeatedly with minimal ongoing costs, making them a highly scalable source of income. The main advantages of selling digital products are low overhead, no shipping, and global reach. A cheerful scene with a tutor teaching online via video call. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss any new tips and updates.